This video is going to go over some of the tips, tricks, recommendations that we have when it comes to using the template. So go ahead and open up your template. And the first thing that we would do before anything else, hover over the file. And then on this right corner, there's going to be an options button. So click on that and then scroll down to make a copy. Click on that. So we've now just made a copy of the original file. Now, this original file we're going to leave untouched. We're not going to work from it. The one that we'll be working from is going to be the copy of family history template. And you can rename this whatever you'd like, just to differentiate from it being the family history template. So the reason why that we find that to be helpful, it's nice to have an original unchanged copy in case you need to revert back or refer back to a certain page and how it's set up, how it's used. And it's a nice fallback in case things have gone sideways throughout the process of your project. You just have that original file that you can always go back to and work from. All right, so another important recommendation that we have is based on the total page count of the book. When you print your book from Canva, they give you 100 pages. Now, if you'll notice down here at this page count, got 2 of 76. So that second number is the total pages that you have used in this template. So already pretty close to 100. So it's helpful to find some that you can delete. So let's take a look at what we can delete. In order to do that, you would need to first select a theme. And we have 4 themes that are ready to go. So if you were just to input your content in one of these selected themes, you would be able to easily produce this book without a lot of extra design effort. Now, of course, all of these pages are customizable, so you can go that route if you'd like, but it's ready to go if you just pick a theme. So let's say for this example, we like this greenish background with the black outline. That's the theme we're going with. That means we won't be using pages that are white with a black background, or we won't be using pages that have a black background and white outline. So we can go ahead and delete them because the ones that we're going to use will be on this colored background with black outline. So let's go over to this page. We can just click on it and hit delete on the keyboard and it will delete it. We can click on the options button, click delete. We can right click and then select delete page. Or if you want to do it a little quicker, select your page by clicking on it, hold shift, and then move your cursor over to the end of the range of pages that you want to select. So these 4 pages here are selected in purple, and then we're going to hit delete, and then they're gone. So that'll free up some space in our page count. We're going to do that the same with these other pages that don't fall within the theme that we've chosen. So I've selected them, hit delete, now they're gone. Same with the covers. We won't need these covers, deleting them. So now you can see that our page count has been reduced to 59, where it was previously at 76. So you would just continue to delete the pages that don't fall within the theme, and then your page count will be entirely devoted to the family members and the project that you're creating, and no pages wasted for when it comes time to print the book when it's finished.